Mastering relative pronouns in English. Hello there, English learners. Today, we're delving into the world of relative pronouns. Relative pronouns are an essential part of English grammar, playing a vital role in giving more information about people, things, or places in our sentences. By the end of this video, you'll have a solid understanding of what relative pronouns are and how to use them correctly. Let's get started. So, what exactly are relative pronouns? In English, relative pronouns are used to introduce relative clauses, which are a type of dependent clause that gives additional information about a noun. The relative pronouns in English include who, whom, whose, which, and that. These pronouns work as the link between the main clause and the relative clause. They help us to combine sentences or avoid repetition, making our speech and writing more sophisticated and fluent. Let's look at some examples. The woman who is sitting over there is my teacher. The book that you recommended was fascinating. Do you know the guy whose car is red? In each of these examples, the relative pronoun introduces additional information about the noun it follows. It's important to choose the correct relative pronoun based on the context. Let's break it down. Who, we use who for people. Example: the girl who lives next door is very kind. Whom is also used for people, but in a formal style or in written English. Example: to whom was the letter written? Whose, we use whose to show possession. Example: this is the man whose dog chased me. Which is used for things or animals. Example: the chair which is broken needs to be fixed. That can be used for both people and things in defining relative clauses. Example: the movie that we watched last night was exciting. Remember that the choice of relative pronoun can significantly impact the meaning of your sentence, so choose wisely. And there we have it. Those were the basics of relative pronouns in English. Keep practicing using relative pronouns in your daily conversations or writings. Remember, like any new skill, mastering relative pronouns takes time and practice. If you found this video helpful, please share it with other English learners. Thanks for watching and keep up the great work on your journey to mastering English.